More than a quarter of British households will be relieved that the Bank of England held interest rates today, but a larger number want a rate rise, according to a survey. Some 28% of Britons say they would struggle to pay off debts in the case rates went up from the 0.5% they were held at today. The Monetary Policy Committee voted 9-0 in favor of sticking.A. Similar proportions say an increase would be damaging for their finances, according to ING Bank. The international survey, which polled 1,000 people in the UK, comes as the MPC left base rate unchanged at 0.5% today. However, the next rate rise, most probably of 0.25%, could come as early as May, with another one by the end of the year, if the economy performs well, according to experts. Recent official data has showed that the economy grew by 0.5% in the last quarter of 2017, up from 0.4% in the third quarter. Moreover, inflation has been steadily rising over the past year, reinforcing the case for a rate rise. Consumer price inflation was 3% in December, just slightly down from November's five-year high of 3.1%. John Wraith, an economist at UPS, said the stronger-than-expected outturn for fourth-quarter GDP, gross domestic product, and the better momentum the economy starts 2018 with as a result could give the MPC a window of opportunity to raise bank rate by the middle of the year. However, there are growing doubts about whether the UK and EU will agree on a transitional deal by the time of the EU Council summit in late March, and failure to do so would, in our opinion, stay the MPC's hand. Financial markets suffered a brutal sell-off at the start of the week in response to fears that rising inflation could spark interest rate hikes across a number of economies. The ING survey also shows that over a quarter of UK households, or about 27%, have no savings, a percentage point higher than the European average of 26%, and the same percentage as Poland and Belgium. Only Germans and Romanians are in a worse-off position in terms of savings, with 29% and 36% respectively saying they have zero savings. However, some 70% of Britons said they did have savings, and within them, 34% said they would benefit from a rate rise. He continued, that said, central banks are aware that many people have never experienced a period of rising interest rates in their adult life, meaning they are likely to tread cautiously.